Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients you need. So let's get started. You need 2 sticks of softened butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of hot water, half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm using pink salt, 3 cups of flour, and 2 cups of chocolate chips. In a large bowl, combine the softened butter, the white sugar, and the brown sugar well using an electric hand mixer. Now add 2 eggs and mix it together until it's fluffy. Next, add in the vanilla extract. Take 2 teaspoons of hot water in a separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir well until the baking soda is completely dissolved. Add the baking soda mixture along with the salt into the cookie mixture. After the baking soda and salt are completely mixed, gradually add in the flour. After the flour is completely mixed, add the chocolate chips into the cookie dough. Now fold in the chocolate chips using a spatula and not a hand mixer so the chocolate chips don't break. Now it's time to place the cookies on a baking sheet. If you have a non-stick baking sheet, you can scoop the cookie dough directly on. But if you don't, I would advise to put a piece of parchment paper down so the cookies don't stick. Scoop about 1 tablespoon of cookie dough and place it onto the baking sheet about 2 inches apart from each other. After you place the cookie dough onto the baking sheet, if you want, you could flatten the cookie a little bit so it spreads wider. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are slightly browned. Place the cookies from the baking sheet onto a cooling rack and cool completely. This recipe makes exactly 48 cookies. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications. Bye!